Today we're going over the Bulgarian Split Squat form. How to do the Bulgarian Split Squat. Hey, I'm Coach CC Matthews. Today I'm going to be showing you how to perform this leg exercise correctly so that way you can get maximum results from this movement. It's a phenomenal exercise. So we're going to be going over proper setup and a couple things to look out for when performing the Bulgarian Split Squat. So here's what we're going to do. Starting with the setup, place the dumbbells out in front on the floor. Then you're going to have a seat on the bench or whatever platform that you have behind you. All right, from here, you're going to extend that working leg out front. And then you're going to stand up. By doing this, it's going to allow us to get the proper distance from the bench behind you, and it's going to allow you to get set up properly, okay? So from here, we're going to go ahead and extend that back foot on top of the bench. Now, if you notice, the toe isn't flexed. We're going to lie down that foot on top of the bench. That's going to give you a lot more stability versus flexing your toe, okay? So once you place your toe on the bench, you're going to come down. We're going to bring the dumbbells or grab the dumbbells from that bottom position from the floor. Now, before you get started, I want you to brace your core, brace your abs as if someone's going to punch you in the stomach. That's going to allow us to get a lot more stability through here while performing this movement, okay? So from here, inhale going down. As you're going down, we're leaning forward just slightly, and then you're gonna push up, driving through that front foot, okay? About mid-sole of that front foot. Now, in terms of percentage of weight, your weight, you should be about a good 90 to 95% on this front leg, and then that back leg is only there for support and balance, okay? So I do not want you leaning back and going through the back leg. I want that weight over that front leg going down and up, just like this. Nice and control, going down, pushing through that front foot as you come up. Now, a couple things to look out for. Whenever you're in that position, okay, again, don't shift the weight, going back and forth, stay over that front leg, but also brace your abs coming up out of that movement. If you find yourself being wobbly, you either have the bench too high behind you or you may need to rotate your foot to give you more real estate on that bench behind you, and that should help with that form as well. But that's how you perform the Bulgarian Split Squat. It's a phenomenal exercise. Make sure you incorporate that into your training. If you have any questions, please comment below this video, and I'll see you on the next video.